Hi everyone, I'm Rupam Vanna, a maintainer of KubeStellar. So today I will meet you with Rupam, who is a DevOps engineer and his primary work to manage multi-cluster environment. Let's check how he is managing his multi-cluster environments. First, we will set up a KubeStellar demo environment, and after its successful installation, you can see a congratulations message here. So on the top of that, we will then check that how many clusters are there. You can easily see there are three clusters. One is cluster 1, cluster 2, and ITS 1. Then we will check our context. There will be some multiple contexts. One is cluster 1, cluster 2, and cluster 3. Those are the most important ones for our case. So we will work on that. Then we will switch our context to ITS 1, and you can clearly see here we have switched our context to ITS1, and then we will query by kubectl get pods minus a for the all pods and check what are the pods are there. So after successfully queried the pods of ITS1, now we have switched our context to cluster 2 and query by kubectl that how many pods are registered here. Let's see what are there. So you can see by the demo, Rupam is standing in 2025 and changing his cube context and try to do his query for multiple cluster, and he has to do some multiple context change there, and it's little bit time taking. Why not? Now we give some insight about kubectl-multi to Rupam, and now let's check how smart Rupam is working with this cluster. We will copy paste a script here which will download kubectl-multi for you. The script you will get from the GitHub. So basically the script is for tag, a curl command, and a tar command that will extract your tar file, and then it will move your kubectl-multi to regular command version, and then you can check that kubectl-multi 0.0.3 is installed in your system. Now congratulations. Now we will check how kubectl-multi is actually work for you. So you don't need any context change, just use kubectl-multi get pods minus a, and it will give you the list of pods that lies in every cluster. You can see cluster 1, cluster 2, and kind cluster 2. Then you can do the same thing for your deployments as well, and then you will get your deployments. So for the you can check for the all the cluster, it is cluster 1, then cluster 2, then kind cluster 2. So as you can see there are three cluster. Then you can do the same thing for your service as well. Now without the place of deployment, you just write SBC. So you can see how kubectl-multi is basically simplify your day-to-day work with a query tool. It is very primary stage now. It is 0.0.3 version as of now, and you can see we can do any query or some basic delete function. We will make it parallel with kubectl. That will be helpful in your DevOps journey. And if you have any issue with it, or if you want that any feature that can be added here, please feel free to raise in our GitHub account. We will be there to hear you. As I am a maintainer, and for your kind information, I want to aware you that I am free to hire. So if you want a talented person in your dynamic team, I can be affordable option. So you can contact me within LinkedIn.